Been beat down, but I don't stay low. Got mud on my jeans, still ready to go. Every scar's a story that I survived. I've been through hell, but I'm still alive. They said, slow down, boy, don't go too fast. But I ain't never been one to live in the past. I keep moving forward, never looking back, with a worn-out hat and a six-string strap.
Everyday modern beef processing facilities generate thousands of gallons of wastewater from equipment washdown, sanitation, and the processing of premium beef products. While production demand continues to grow, wastewater disposal often becomes the bottleneck that limits expansion. That was exactly the challenge facing this beef processing facility. Their existing irrigation system had reached its maximum capacity. Without an alternative method of wastewater disposal, production simply couldn't increase. The facility had the demand to grow, but wastewater management had become the limiting factor. They needed a solution, and they needed it fast. Within just 4 to 6 weeks, Evaporation King engineered, manufactured, delivered, and commissioned a complete Gladiator 720 wastewater evaporation system. Designed specifically for industrial wastewater applications, the Gladiator 720 converts wastewater into a fine mist of microscopic droplets, dramatically increasing the surface area available for natural evaporation. The result is an efficient, environmentally responsible solution that significantly reduces the volume of wastewater requiring disposal. Today, the Gladiator 720 is evaporating wastewater generated from daily washdown operations and beef processing, allowing the facility to continue operating without the restrictions of its previous irrigation capacity. Most importantly, this installation removes the production bottleneck that had been holding the business back. Instead of being constrained by wastewater disposal, the plant now has the capacity to double and potentially triple its production while maintaining responsible wastewater management practices. When time is critical, every week matters. From concept to commissioning in just over a month, the Gladiator 720 provided this customer with a turnkey solution that not only solved an immediate operational challenge, but also created the capacity needed for long-term growth. At Evaporation King, we don't just evaporate wastewater. We help manufacturers remove operational constraints and unlock their full production potential.